Happy life wishes. Now I am going to talk about the subject called as graphology. All these past videos, I was talking about handwriting, writing, everything. So where does it come? It comes under the subject called as graphology. It's a bigger subject like biology. So in graphology, handwriting analysis is one part. Changing the handwriting, that is therapy, that is another part. Then there is doodling, analyzing it, doodling. Doodling means whenever you are engrossed in something, you keep scribbling something. That is called as doodling. That's another part. And there is something called forensic graphology or forgery, finding the forgery, the signature forgery or the forgery will or anything, document examination. That's also part of graphology. So now let us look into handwriting analysis. What is it? Basically, what is analysis? Analyzing something or somebody. For example, if your parents are angry, sad, or your boss or your teacher, their mood variations you can make out. How do you make out? Do they put board here saying that today I am angry or today I am sad? No, but you can make out through body language, the way they behave, the way they change the gear or hit the vessel. You can make out they're angry or they're sad and all. Similarly, your handwriting also will show there when you wrote that day, what's your mood. Whether you were angry, maybe writing may show that anger or the sadness or any other emotions. Why does it show? Let's go into when the handwriting starts. When you started writing, one teacher has taught entire class in the same manner. He or she, they didn't discriminate, like for you in a different manner or for someone else different manner. They didn't teach. It's the same manner they taught. But none of your handwriting is same. Why? It should have been like a computer printout, no? Because one teacher has taught entire class in the same manner. But it's not same because it represents you as a person. Your personality comes out in handwriting. So when you grew, your handwriting changed because maturity came, your thinking, thought process, everything changed. So your handwriting also changes. So basically, handwriting is not from hand, it is from brain. So whatever you do repeatedly, it gets transferred to subconscious mind. So when it goes there, when coming out, it brings other things, whatever happening there. It's a tool to reach your subconscious mind. It's a keyhole to your brain. So handwriting is aptly called as brain writing. So from handwriting, we can find out so many things about you. More than 300 personality traits can be identified in handwriting. So when this journey started, analysis journey, there is something called as, the handwriting analysis. Even in India, we have a written document of Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji's Guru, Santa Samartha Ramadas, telling him to change the writing pattern to get the strength. So that's the oldest written document we have. Otherwise, it said that the analysis started from South India, then it went to China, then Greek, then Roman, and that Roman based script, Latin based script, there it developed. In 1600 AD, the first book came. Mostly French, German and English, the Latin based script, there it is developed. So how do they find out about someone? They see the common factors. See, criminals' handwriting sample collected and seen what is that common there. All the scientists, all the teachers or doctors, all the achievers or other people. So what is common there? So if this is written like this means this strength or this means this weakness or this means this fear. Like that they identified, they brought a book on that, and since then it's been getting developed. Latest on that is finding the health aspect of us. both physical and mental. So handwriting gives your entire personality, but it depends upon the people who is doing the analysis, because how much they understood, what is their perception and all. So this science is true, but the person who is doing it, analyzing it, he may be amateur or he may be expert. Depending upon that, the result may vary. But it's a best personality tool, because any other analysis, like identifying others' behavior, you don't record it. Handwriting, when you have written that day what was your personality, so it's like a written document. So many years later also you can say this is what was happening there. So you can see Second World War time, all those leaders or the fighters, what's their handwriting, the treaty they signed, what does it show in that, why that mentality of killing or surrendering or committing suicide or anything. So that can be seen. So this is about handwriting analysis. Now the question comes, why we have to analyze? What we can find out, what we don't know about ourselves. So why we don't know about ourselves? Normally, the last person we know completely is ourselves. We can analyze all the other people, not about us. It's very scary to know about us. So handwriting shows our fears, our strengths, our weaknesses, our strengths, energy, drive, desires, then relationship with others, and how much you know about yourself, the self-esteem part, and the goals, and all the defense mechanisms, where you keep others at bay, the protection, what you do, and the health aspect, as I said, both physical and mental part, that also comes there. Then even the disabilities, there may be learning disability, there may be birth, by birth retardedness or something else, or the health aspect also, there will be some kind of addictions that can be seen, and the suicide tendency, depression, the emotional background, these are all can be found out through handwriting. So this is a best tool to identify.